Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to prepare overnight oats in chocolate flavor. So let's begin with the video. Here in a bowl, I am taking the required quantity of oats. Here I have some washed dates and raisins, adding about 3 spoons of pumpkin seeds and walnuts, adding about a spoon of unsweetened cacao powder. We'll give everything a good mix. I'm also adding a packet of stevia. You can add any other sweetener that you prefer. Adding water as required. We'll give it another mix. I prefer using regular oats for this recipe as it tastes better and you don't even need to use milk. We'll cover it and keep it in the fridge overnight. Next day morning, our overnight oats is all ready and this is what it looks. We'll take 2 bowls and we need to serve the oats. I am keeping half of this for evening snacks. And here is our breakfast all ready. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.